going on, everybody? This is Ben Kensington, your favorite Arizona realtor with eXp Realty. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. All right, so we're located in North Peoria, Arizona, in a beautiful master plan community called VISTANCIA. I'm going to give you guys a rental property tour for my client who is relocating from Northern California. This is going to be a good one. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Okay, like I said earlier in the video, we are located in North Peoria, Arizona, which is in Phoenix Metro, in a master plan community subdivision called VISTANCIA. Okay, this is a very popular subdivision. Beautiful mountain views, biking and walking trails, like I usually say in all of these communities, shopping centers nearby as well, as you can see here. And this is for my client, who's, I said, is pre-approved, is a buyer who's relocating, and they're securing a rental property first. Okay, I'm going to give you guys the price at the end of the video. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tour of some of the little pockets in this community. And I'm going to give you guys a full home tour, like I said, as well. I'll give you the price towards the end. We'll drive around the community as well. And I'll give you guys a little bit more details as far as the beds, bath, square footage, lot size, year built, things like that. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. All right. And definitely watch the whole way through. It's not that long, about 15 minutes. And I will jump back in. Realtor with eXp Realty here, and I wanted to show you guys a rental property that I ended up helping my clients find through a property management company, really good property management company here in VISTANCIA, North Peoria, okay, Peoria, Arizona. And this is a beautiful master plan community, lots of development, mountain views, okay, real clean neighborhoods. And my client needed a rental property as they're relocating. They sold their home in Northern California, and they wanted to spend some time really to getting to know the Phoenix area before they purchase. So they're already pre-approved, they're ready to go. They're gonna make a good profit. Congratulations to them as well on that sale of their house. That's what I love about home ownership, is because you get a lot of equity in your home, which gives you options in the future, lots of buying power. So it's very important to become homeowners. For your first time home buyers, definitely want to jump into the real estate market and take advantage of all the benefits that there are of being a homeowner and enjoying home ownership, as well as investing in properties as well. So definitely enjoy this tour. Okay, I'm going to give you a tour of this property, 3-bed, 2-bath. Okay, this is a beautiful house out here in Peoria, Arizona, rental property. And they're gonna get comfortable, and I'm gonna help them continue on their search of finding a house. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next one. Okay, so really quick, now this home was built in 2006. Okay, it's a rental property, investment property through a property management company. This home sold in 2020, in the fall of 2020, for $477,000. Okay, this home is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,942 square foot home. Okay, it has a bonus room, so you can use it as a den or however you want to use it. It has a double doors, so it's really 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Okay, 2 full bath, 1,942 square feet. Okay, and like I said, the lot size, this home was built in 2006. VISTANCIA is a very sought after community in the Peoria area, North Peoria to be exact, because it's really close to Lake Pleasant. If you've seen my videos before, as you can see, you got the foothills, the mountain views there as well. Lots of desert landscaping. It's absolutely beautiful up here. Okay, so you're close to Lake Pleasant, close to Deer Valley. Taiwan Semi as well is building close to this area as well, so it's going to be even in more high demand as we go forward. If you've seen my video about the jobs and the job explosion in this area. Okay, so the lot size is 6,545 square feet, 4 bed, 2 bath, 1,942 square feet. That's approximate square feet. Okay. And this is a master plan community. You have amenities and things like that. So what I'm going to do is stop talking. I've talked enough. Go ahead, enjoy this home tour for this rental property. And towards the end, I'll jump back in with the price. All right, you guys, I'm back. Thank you for watching a good portion of the video. As we make it towards the end of the video, I'll drive around the neighborhood a little bit after we get through the backyard. So this is the ending portion here, and we'll drive around the neighborhood a little bit. Now the price. Okay, so the price for this one in this area, VISTANCIA, Peoria, this is a very sought after area. So the rental price for this one is $2,100. That's the rental price on this property, $2,100. It's in a nice master plan community. You have all the amenities. You have all the extra stuff that you want for an adult lifestyle type community. So that's what you're going to get when you move out to these big, beautiful, kind of secluded, brand new master plan communities. I know the home was built in 2006. That's still newer. It's less than 15 plus years. So definitely, you guys, and it's still expanding. It's growing like crazy up here in VISTANCIA. Thank you guys for watching the video. Share it if you love it. Like it if you love it. I will definitely see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.